want to thank one of you people out there for making this ride possible. Someone encouraged me, and I appreciate that. I can use all the encouragement I can get. Let's see, I'll turn on some electricity. I thought I would go to the Navy Exchange today just to see if I could make it out there. In which case, I'll have to turn around. The weather today leaves much to be desired. It's really gross out here. But it could be worse. It could be raining, right? But check out that sky, that sun. It looks like a haze. I don't know if it's because of the volcano or what's going on, but anyway, people are doing their thing, you know? Just kind of hanging out. Pardon my French. I didn't even cuss. So, this may not be the best video. It may be the best, but unlikely. Yesterday I did this great video, and it was all for nothing because it was in some pretty lousy HD. It wasn't even 4K, so once you go 4K, don't really want to go back. So I give you something green to look at. It's nice. I like the trees, grass. It's a nice little park, you know. They built a dog park here. It used to not be this way, but anyway, it is what it is. They have like a big dog park and a little dog park. It's interesting. And here's some birds hanging out, some people hanging out, and the sun looks like some bizarre planet. I don't know. So I don't know what the atmospheric condition is that causes this, but it is peculiar. Country Club Plaza here. So lots of birds. There's a dog. More birds. Thank you again for all of you who are still listening by this point. Still, I've taken you this way before, but let's see what it's like. Try and make it through a neighborhood. Sort of like turn around here. If I wanted to go to the Navy Exchange, I should go this route, right? So anyway, nice houses. People with enough money to own a house are doing something right, working hard. People that live in an apartment are also doing something right. They're off the streets and probably enjoying life. So they don't have to work as hard, maybe. I don't know. Anyway, that may or may not be true. Most likely isn't. So here's a green light. We like green lights because that means go. A lot of people hanging out, just waiting for the bus. There's McDonald's. Okay, Navy Exchange is this way. Let's see what happens. Again, I want to thank you profusely from the bottom of my heart for suggesting I take this ride. Hope it turns out well. These people are crossing. Wow, that's some muscle there. All right. Let's hope not to get run over here. Wow, that sun is something, isn't it? Jeez. All right, I might have to shut up because I'm gonna have to go uphill. So, hang in there. Smells like Korean barbecue. Construction zone, 25 miles an hour. People are nice enough to get out of the way, which is helpful. lady's tripping, or is it a dude? I don't know. Can't tell. Sorry about that. Nice flowers. For anyone who cares. All right, we're gonna turn left here. I'm gonna try and turn left here. Or not. Right is the opposite of left, right? So yeah, it's a little trick you do. You turn right when you want to turn left, and then you can turn left by going straight. That's the Moana Lua Terrace. This is a nice neighborhood. People got something going on. Here's a nice little golf course, playground. Dude with his phone and dog. Check out those hills on the golf course. Weird sun. Anyway, nice little ride to nowhere. Navy Exchange. There's some big houses. And it's right across from the golf course. There's another dog park. It's very nice. They even have like obstacle course for dogs. Nice houses. Oh man, I'm having technical difficulties. Not with my camera, with my clip. Clip is not clipping in. What's going on here? How am I gonna go on a big old mean ride if I can't even clip in? I might need to stop. Try and figure out what's going on. Let me see. Stop here. What the hell's going on? Nice. Okay. I found out that my clip is busted. Not the pedal itself, but the shoe is missing something. So I'll try and make it to the Navy Exchange and then head right back, I guess. Though I wanted to go on a mean old long ride. So anyway, just to show you where it is. Cruise right through here. Thank you for supporting me, and if you're still watching, you're amazing. Uh-oh, that didn't sound good at all. Okay. Ended up on the sidewalk. Okay, so here we are on the way to the Navy Exchange. There's a Jack in the Box, Taco Hell, Panda Express. Nothing but good eats, huh? If you like what we eat here. There's Ramen Ya, Dry Cleaning Express. So I think I may need to get some more Crankmasters. Another set of shoes if I'm going to have trouble like this. Geez, I don't know where I'm going to find that bolt for the shoe, but boy, look at that sun. Isn't that bizarre? It's just so weird. Again, I think it's the VOG, the volcanic activity here on the islands that caused that. This guy doesn't know. He's waiting for the rooster, I guess. So anyway, here's the Navy Exchange, if you can see it. I made my goal. See? Navy Exchange Commissary. So good for me, I made it. There's the UPS store. So, see, there it is, next Navy Exchange, next level rewards. So, that's all right. You gotta stop for pedestrians anyway, so not a problem. Navy Exchange, Navy Exchange, Navy Exchange, big old thing, isn't it? Yeah, you thought I was kidding. All right, there's the trucks I have to take care of. Thank you. Okay, that's one way. So we gotta go this way. So on this ride, what have we learned? Not a whole lot, right? It's just a video to upload because the day is just weird. The weather's weird. Everything weird. So anyway, it's nice to get out and move your legs a little. I'm just disappointed because I wanted to go on a mean old ride and decided apparently my shoe cleat malfunctioned and I only have one of the two bolts in there, so I don't feel comfortable going on a big old ride without it. Navy Federal right there. So thank you to our troops. I hope that I don't have to do any Penn-Fed credit union. Huh. Check that out. $5.75 for propane. Self-serve $3.84. Sounds amazing. Anyway, there's Juanalua Terrace, so you know we're in the right place because that's where we started. So this will be a real brief show today. It's not like anyone's gonna watch this far in anyway, right? Feel free to leave a comment like I actually made it to the end if you did. God bless you if you do make it to the end. Really windy right now. I don't know if you can tell. It certainly feels that way. The trees aren't moving though. Can't be that windy. I think it's only windy because I'm moving. So, just the way it is. So if I stop, these people stop, I guess they're gonna let me go. Thank you. All right, golf course. Anybody? Golf course? Free? Giant homes. Are they like two homes in one, or what's the story? I think it's for the troops. I mean, you know, they gotta live somewhere, right? I don't know. Could be totally wrong. It could be just like a private residence. You just think I should know these things. God, what an awful, interesting day. Hopefully yours day is in a sunnier spot right now. Look at this dog. Oh my God. It's like a pumpkin dog. This is true. Anyway, if I get home and can figure out how to find a bolt for the shoe, I'll go out again. 5 minutes, big impact. Not sure what that's about. Dependent satisfactions. Here's the golf course continued. Just slide right through this stop sign. Should really obey the law, but there's no real reason on that particular stop sign to stop, right? right? Hope I made a good call there. You hear the, oh, it looks like I'm doing an outdoor workout. I wonder where I lost my bolt. Anyway, it's a nice golf course if you like golf, of course. So thanks again for getting me out here, getting me moving. Let's go in this neighborhood, see what it's like. T-ball. I think this goes through, actually, to tell you the truth. This guy's on his motorcycle. Oh, I don't have my shoe thing. Better go home. It is a nice little playground, though. See? Nice little playground. They got lots of grass here too. It's nice. FedEx man always working. TikTok. You ever see that movie with the guy Wilson? Tom Hanks. It was a good movie. What was it called? Castaway. Check out this you gotta feel bad for the Castaway though. Looks like it's two homes smashed together, I think. Yeah, because there's two driveways, two sets of trash cans. So yeah, there's, looks like tennis courts up there. Should we check it out? Let's check it out. Are they tennis courts? Looks like it. So, hope you're enjoying the ride today. It's not that exciting. Sorry, I'm not on my best, most exciting behavior today. But, let's see what's over here. Thing's kind of whiny today, huh? Lots of chickens and stuff. Is it a tennis court or basketball court? It looks like a tennis court. I'll be damned. What the hell? Hey, you could bring your ball here and hit it against the board if you don't have a companion to hit the ball with. That's pretty neat for all those people that want to play on a garage door or something. Alright, well, there's a Island Family Assembly, some sort of church. Okay, let's see if we head through here and see what happens. So I hope you enjoyed the trip to the Navy Exchange. Not sure what that place is, but maybe tomorrow we'll find out. Let's see. Seems like a church. Do they have like an entrance here? Love God, love people, serve others. Sounds like a good motto. Certainly could do worse. This is an interesting way to get where you're going. Sorry, dude. Take a whole lane here, because why not? Woohoo! I have to wait like the rest of everybody. This is the most interesting part of the show. Anyway, there's Texaco, 427 over there. 499 for diesel. Means everything's going up, I guess. Oh well. There's a pet vet and a McDonald's. Well, I hope you enjoyed today's show. I'm sorry I had to cut it short, but if I can find another bolt, I'll go out again. Not that this is stunning footage. I just felt, you know, I owed it to one of my viewers out there who encouraged me to take a ride today. So thank you. Thank you, thank you, thank you. Should have this uploaded shortly. So, such a beautiful day to be alive. Since they all are, right? Interesting. Alright, there's a bus. This has been fun. Been real. Hopefully it's been real fun. Weird day. At least I got like 8 minutes in. Is that all I did? Seems like not enough. 17:45. Let's see what's going on here.